Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Tomica event model and it is mentioned as number one and this is from 2024. So I honestly forgot what car is this. So let's unbox this and see how this one, what is inside first and then how that one looks. Okay, that is smooth. So when I opened my premium box, I found it was inside. This was inside. So I was a bit surprised, that this and the Ferrari Testarossa which I had, I was surprised to see these things. Okay, this is a Mazda. Wow, I totally forgot I actually bought a Mazda. Okay, I swear to God, guys, and I didn't remember. Okay, so this is the Mazda Roadster, and this is a Tomica event model for 2024. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. I mean, it does have a little bit of paint issues, not so much, but paint issues in the sense I'm seeing some scratches here on the roof. So it has good interior detailing to it. I thought this is removable, but this is not removable. And okay, that is metal, I guess. Okay, so it has painted headlights, so that's what Amiga used to do a lot of time when it comes to main lines. Okay, it has a Mazda logo here. The logo is pretty good. It has grill detail here, and it has tail details, tail light details as well. There is a logo here as well. Okay, it does have all the detailing to it, and it has some level of chassis detailing to it, which is really nice. And it is 1:57, and the body is fully metal. The chassis is plastic, and the basic Tomica wheels here. So let's do a suspension test. Does have suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting real quick. Okay, 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, it does roll really well. It produces a lot of noise, but it does roll really well. Okay, it rolls really well. Okay, let's rate this casting again. So the scratches are something specific to mine, so I'm not going to rate based on that. So I would give. I'm not saying any issue. It even rolled really well compared to other Tomicas. So it has headlight and tail light details, interior details. It has everything. So I would give this solid 10 out of 10. I don't see anything, any reason not to give this casting a 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.